and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to install the non-automated MySmartRollerShades. Your kit will include your new shade with the bead chain, clutch, safety loop, mounting brackets, and other necessary hardware. Make sure to remove any existing roller shades, blinds, curtains, or anything else that might be attached to your window or window frame. Consult the manufacturer's user documentation on how to safely remove those components before installing your new non-automated MySmartRollerShades. For this installation, you'll need a tape measure, a pencil, and an impact driver or drill with a Phillips bit. Position the brackets with the rounded edge facing out, away from the window, and with the adhesive facing away from the window as well. When possible, place your brackets flush with the top of the window frame. Secure your bracket in place with the round-headed screws if you're going into wood, or with self-tapping screws if you're mounting your brackets in metal. Repeat this process on the other side of the window frame. Once your brackets are in place, remove the adhesive backing and stick the bracket covers onto the brackets to add a more finished look. You're now ready to install your roller shades into the brackets. Rotate the spring indicator to make sure that the red sticker is visible. Make sure to install your roller shades so that the fabric comes off of the front or the back, depending on what you ordered. Slide the spring-loaded end into one of the two mounting locations in the wall bracket. Compress the spring and slide the other end into the corresponding mounting location in the opposite bracket. The diameter of your roller shade will determine which mounting location you will use. Check the spring indicator. If you can see red while your roller shade is within the brackets, that means you do not have sufficient spring force to safely operate your roller shade, and you'll need to add one of the included spacers. Remove the shade and firmly press a spacer into place on one of the brackets. Replace the shade. Repeat this process until you can no longer see any red. Spacers can also be used to make adjustments to center the roller shade within the window. Your kit includes a variety of locking safety clips that are used to lock the spring-loaded idler assembly in place. When placed properly, these clips prevent you from accidentally compressing the spring and removing your shade. If you need to remove your roller shade for any reason, these safety clips will need to be removed first. With the roller shade safely mounted, place at least one or possibly two of the locking clips on the spring-loaded side of the assembly. Make sure to fill the gap as tightly as possible. Lastly, install your bead chain safety guide by first hooking it on the bead chain and then securing it to the wall with the included screws. Make sure the guide is mounted in the correct position with the opening facing downwards. Install the guide so that the chain is snug and cannot be easily detached. That's it. We hope you enjoy your new roller shades. Let us know if you'd like to make them a little smarter sometime in the future. If you have any questions about ordering, measuring, or installing MySmartRollerShades, please contact us and we are happy to help. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to subscribe and tap the like button. For more information about our smart home products, visit our website. Thanks for watching. I'm Natalie, and I hope this video has made your home a little smarter.